Hi, I'm Shijo. I'm a cloud engineer at Kubrick Group. I'm here to talk to you about what it means to be a cloud engineer. What type of things would you be expected to do? What are some of the roles that we do as cloud engineers, and some examples of what cloud engineering is in real life. The cloud is essentially the internet. It's a bunch of servers somewhere else that we use to borrow the compute from to do some cool stuff. And as a company, that is very useful because there is a vast amount of things that you can access through the internet and some services that you can use. Cloud engineering is actually a term for a collection of different roles using the cloud. It can go all the way from site reliability engineer, DevOps engineer, big data engineer, cloud software engineer, and these are all things that you can do on the cloud that help a company out. Everything from swiping on Tinder to Google searching to shopping on Amazon and watching Netflix. Cloud engineer helps out with all of those things and more. The world has fundamentally changed after COVID. Everything has gone to be digital, and as a cloud engineer, you are infused in the digital world. It is a skill that is highly in demand. It is a hidden gem of all the talent, but they are so vital to everyday aspects of what we do. If you were to be a cloud engineer, you'd be really highly sought after in the market. Example of how cloud engineering is used in everyday life is Netflix. Using the cloud, it's easier to deploy applications. Instead of having a monolithic big application, we can put it into small tiny components, and a cloud architect would build microservices that effectively make Netflix work like a car. Instead of making changes to the whole car, you can have specific components with microservice architecture, which allows Netflix to scale and not have shortages and allow hundreds of millions of people to have access to streaming services. How Tinder uses cloud engineering is to make sure Tinder's app is up 24/7. So if you're on 2 a.m. and you're scrolling through Tinder, that's because the cloud engineer has built in the systems that they can have updates anytime due to the site reliability engineering, that you can use that service anytime and updates can be constantly going and being pushed to it. Cloud is fundamental to how we work in society now. Because how digitization has leveled up industries, you can work in Formula One, Netflix, Google, Amazon, you name it, any company, because they need the fundamental infrastructure to go beyond and level up their platform. That kind of provides you the ability to work in any industry you want in a highly sought after job that is in high demand, so you get high pay. There's a big barrier to entrance because most of these roles require 2 years of experience or more, but what's perfect about Kubrick is they will provide you with those 2 years of experience with very highly sought after clients. With Kubrick, you get 15 weeks of paid training, which allows you an in-depth exposure in a variety of cloud tools, and then you get 2 years to work on client side to refine those tools. This is such a great opportunity to break the barrier and get into a field which is highly sought after without going to an expensive school and getting a master's in some of the fundamental tools. You know what? 2 years of refining your skill will make you a much better cloud engineer than going to university and learning something that's academic, because you get to work on clients and work on real life projects. If you want a role that is highly in demand and allows you to work across a multitude of industries, and if you have that enthusiasm to be in the space, then cloud engineering is a perfect role for you. If you want to learn more about Kubrick and cloud engineering, click here, and if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here. I love this so much. Look at this box. Sorry. I always wanted to do this. Click, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, please.